To the outside world, we are grow old, but not to brothers and sisters. We know each other as we always were. We know each other's hearts. We have shared private family jokes. We remember family fears and secrets, family griefs and joys. We live outside the touch of time. Brothers and sisters are as close as hands and feet. We know one another's faults, virtues, catastrophes, mortification, triumphs, rivalries, desires, and how long we can each hang by our hands to a bar. We have been banded together under pack codes and tribal laws. We shared parents, whom pets, celebration, catastrophes, secrets, and the threads of our experience became so interwoven that we are linked. I can never be utterly lonely knowing you share the planet. Your parents leave you too soon, and your kids and spouse come along late. But your siblings know you when you are in your most inchoate form. What brothers say to tease your sister has nothing to do with what they really think of them. Your brother and sister, if you have them, or the brother and sister you know best. They may not be the ones you like the best. They may not be the most interesting, but they are the closest and probably the clearest to you. My brother has the best sister in the world. You and I are brother and sister forever. Always remember that if you fall, I will pick you up as soon as I finish laughing. I know it's a cliche, but the whole family is just whack. I mean, we all out of our minds. They were the funniest, most eccentric bizarre people I have ever met my siblings. The family, we are a strange little band of characters trudging through life, sharing diseases and toothpaste, coveting one another's deserts, hiding shampoo, borrowing money, locking each other out of our rooms, and trying to figure out the common thread that bound us all together. Brothers are just born to bother sisters. Admit it. We always eat and drink slower than our brothers and sisters so that we can tease them at the end when we were the only one with any left. Some relationships are like Tom and Jerry. They tease each other, knock down each other, irritate each other, but can't live without each other. We may look old and wish to the outside world, but to each other we are still in junior school, brothers and sisters separated by distance, joined by love. It leaves a smile on my face when I think of those trifling fights we used to have and then suddenly made up. The memories may fade away with passing time, but the love we share will only grow. As your baby brother, I will make believe with you, play dress up with you, let you be a princess, tell stories in the dark, and always be your friend. As your little sister, I will build forts with you, shoot hopes with you, let you teach me to skip rocks, tell stories in the dark, and always be your friend. I think people that have a brother or sister don't realize how lucky they are. Sure, they fight a lot, but to know that there is always somebody there, somebody that's family. The greatest gift our parents gave us was each other. What sets sister apart from brothers and also from friends is a very intimate meshing of heart, soul, and the mystical chords of memory. Sisters and brothers just happen, we don't get to choose them, but they become one of our most cherished relationships. If you have a brother or sister, tell them you love them every day. That's the most beautiful thing. I told my sister how much I loved her every day. That's the only reason I am okay right now. Brothers and sisters, together as friends, ready to face whatever life sends. Joy and laughter are tears and strife, holding hands tightly as we dance through life. Growing up, I had a very normal relationship with my brothers and sisters, but over time they became my best friends, and now I hang out with them all the time. I am very close with them. I have a wonderful shelter, which is my family. I have a wonderful relationship with my brother and sister. This makes me feel that I know always where I belong. We did not even realize we were making memories. We just knew we were having fun. Brothers are playmates in the beginning and best friends for life. Ohana means family, and family means nobody gets left behind or forgotten. The best thing about having four big brothers is you always have someone to do something for you. Being brother and sister means being there for each other. Even tough we grow up